Attention! There has been a hot new natural weight loss supplement in the market, taking everyone in the weight loss journey by storm. Health journals are terming it as nature's Ozempic. Yes, today we are going to talk about this showstopper, Berberine. So, in this video, we will explore what Berberine is, how it aids in weight loss, what are its other health benefits, which foods contain this beneficial compound, and how to use it best for weight loss. This is Shape Squad, your trusted partner in fitness and weight loss transformation. So, what is Berberine and what are its health benefits? Berberine is a bioactive compound derived from various plants. We'll be telling more about these plants a little further in the video. Berberine has been used for centuries in traditional medicine due to its diverse health benefits. Apart from weight loss as the prime benefit, Berberine supports cardiovascular health. It regulates blood sugar levels and reduces inflammation, making Berberine a super useful health supplement. Now, the big question: how does Berberine help in weight loss? Berberine aids in weight loss through multiple mechanisms. Research shows that Berberine increases the activation of an enzyme called AMP, activated protein kinase, AMPK. This plays a crucial role in regulating metabolism. By activating AMPK, Berberine enhances fat burning. It inhibits fat synthesis and promotes weight loss. These benefits have made Berberine a hot choice among health and weight loss supplements. Now, where to find Berberine? Which foods contain Berberine? While Berberine is predominantly found in plants, it can also be consumed through certain foods. Here are some examples of foods that naturally contain Berberine. You can consume these foods to put your weight loss transformation on fast track. Barberries. These small, tangy berries are packed with Berberine and can be enjoyed as a snack or used as a flavorful addition to salads, oatmeal, or smoothies. Golden seal. The roots of the golden seal plant contain significant amounts of Berberine. Oregon grape. The Oregon grape plant, particularly its roots and stem, is another source of Berberine. You can find extracts or supplements made from Oregon grape or use it in herbal preparations. Berberine is also found in turmeric and cinnamon. Incorporate turmeric into your cooking or enjoy it in a warm cup of turmeric tea. Or sprinkle cinnamon on your oatmeal, yogurt, or incorporate it into baking recipes for a healthy and delicious boost. There are some more sources of Berberine. We shall talk about that in our coming video. So, how to use Berberine effectively for weight loss? To use Berberine effectively for weight loss, it is best to start in low dosage, preferably with a meal, minimizing any potential gastrointestinal side effects. And remember, Berberine works best when complemented with a balanced diet and regular exercise routine. Adopting a healthy lifestyle will maximize your weight loss results. Have you ever tried Berberine as a health supplement? Do tell in the comments. We'll be unveiling more on the incredible benefits of Berberine in our next video. Subscribe to Shape Squad and regularly get all the amazing fitness and weight loss tips. If you found this video helpful, like it and share with your friends. Our next amazing video awaits you. Bye.